Welcome to my channel Althera Health. What if I told you that one of the most powerful habits for your health doesn't come from a hospital, a pill, or an expensive treatment, but from a simple morning routine practiced quietly in Japan for generations? It sounds almost too simple to matter, but sometimes the most powerful changes come from the smallest actions. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your body is not the same as it used to be? Less energy, slower recovery, more fatigue even after rest. Maybe you've noticed small changes that don't feel serious yet, but don't feel normal either. This is something many people experience, especially after the age of 50. And the reason is simple: your body is constantly working every second. Repairing cells, protecting DNA, managing stress, fighting damage. But over time, these systems don't work as efficiently as they once did. Not because your body is weak, but because it needs more support. And this is where your daily habits become critical. Because your habits either help your body repair or slowly increase the stress it experiences. Now here's something most people don't realize. The most important moment for your body's repair systems is not during the day. It's not during exercise, it's not during work. It's the transition from sleepy to waking. Your morning, because during sleep, your body enters recovery mode, your cells repair. Your system resets, your internal balance is restored. But when you wake up, everything changes. Your body shifts from repair mode to activity mode. And how this transition happens can either support your body or create stress. Now think about your morning. Do you wake up and immediately rush, check your phone? Jump out of bed, start thinking about problems? Most people do, and it feels normal. But from a physiological perspective, this sudden shift creates stress. Your heart rate increases quickly, your stress hormones rise. Your system becomes activated too fast, and this interrupts the natural balance your body created during sleep. Now compare that to a different approach: a calm morning, a slow transition. A simple routine: hydration, gentle movement, deep breathing. This is what many traditional Japanese wellness practices focus on, not intensity. Not extremes, but consistency and balance. Now let me be clear. This is not a miracle cure. It is not something that replaces medical treatment. But it is something that supports your body's natural ability to maintain itself, to repair, to function efficiently, and over time, that support becomes powerful. Now imagine this: you wake up, instead of reacting instantly. You pause, you take a slow breath, you allow your body to adjust. Then you drink a glass of water, you gently move your body. You activate your system slowly. This entire process takes just a few minutes. But from a biological perspective, it creates a completely different response inside your body. Your stress levels stay lower, your circulation improves. Your nervous system stays balanced, and your body continues its repair processes more efficiently. Now let's go deeper into something important: your cells. Because everything in your body starts at the cellular level. Every organ, every function, every system depends on healthy cells. And your cells are constantly under pressure from environment, from food, from stress. From aging, this pressure creates what scientists call oxidative stress, which can damage cells over time. Now your body has systems to manage this, to repair damage, to maintain balance, but these systems depend on your lifestyle. And this is where small habits matter, because small habits repeated daily create long-term effects. Not instantly, but gradually. Now let's connect this back to Japan. Because Japan is known for longevity, people live longer, stay active longer, and maintain better health in later years. And while there are many reasons for this, one key factor is lifestyle consistency. Simple routines done every day without extremes, without overcomplication. Now think about that: not intense workouts, not extreme diets. Just simple daily habits that support the body. Now here's the question. If something so simple can support your body's natural systems, why don't more people do it? Because it feels too simple, because it doesn't look dramatic, because it doesn't promise instant results. But the truth is, your body doesn't respond to extremes. It responds to consistency. Now imagine your life. 5 years from now, if you continue your current habits, will your energy improve? Will your health get better or will things slowly decline? Now imagine something different. You start small, you change your mornings. You support your body, you stay consistent. Where will you be then? This is where your power lies, not in big changes, but in small decisions. Repeated daily. Now in the next part, we're going to go deeper into the science. What actually happens inside your body, how your cells respond, and why this simple habit can make such a difference over time. So stay with me. And make sure you subscribe to Althera Health, because your health starts with awareness. Welcome to my channel Althera Health. In the previous part, we explored a simple idea that your morning routine can influence how your body functions. Now let's go deeper, because once you understand what's happening inside your body, everything starts to make sense. Let's begin with something fundamental, your cells. Your entire body is made up of trillions of cells. And every single day, these cells are exposed to stress from pollution, from processed food, from lack of sleep, from emotional stress, and even from normal metabolism. This stress creates something called oxidative stress. Now don't let the term confuse you. In simple words, it's a form of internal damage. It affects your cells, it affects your tissues, and over time, it affects how your body functions. But your body is not defenseless. It has built-in repair systems. Systems that constantly work to repair damage, to maintain balance, to protect your cells. One of the most important things these systems protect is your DNA. Your DNA is like a blueprint. It tells your body how to function, how to repair, how to grow, and how to maintain itself. Now here's the important part. Your body is constantly repairing DNA damage, but as you age, this repair process becomes less efficient, especially after 40, 50, and beyond. This does not mean your body stops working. It means your body needs more support, and this is where your lifestyle matters. Now let's connect this to your morning, because your morning is not just a routine. It's a biological transition from recovery to activity. During sleep, your body is in repair mode, your stress levels are low. Your system is calm, your cells are working quietly. But when you wake up, your body shifts, hormones like cortisol increase. Your heart rate rises, your blood pressure increases, your system prepares for action. Now this is normal, but the speed of this transition matters. If the transition is calm, your body adapts smoothly. Your systems stay balanced, your repair processes continue efficiently. But if the transition is sudden, you create stress. Your body shifts too quickly, and this can disrupt internal balance. Now let's bring in another factor, hydration. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is slightly dehydrated. This affects your blood flow, it affects oxygen delivery. It affects how nutrients reach your cells. And when your cells don't get what they need, their ability to function properly decreases. But something as simple as drinking water can improve circulation, support nutrient delivery, and help your cells function better. Now let's talk about oxygen, because your cells depend on it. When you breathe deeply, you increase oxygen supply. You support your nervous system and you reduce stress signals. But when you wake up and rush, your breathing becomes shallow. Your system becomes tense, and your body enters a stress state. Now combine all of this: sudden waking, stress hormones, dehydration, shallow breathing. This creates a less supportive environment for your cells. Now compare that to a different scenario. You wake up slowly. You hydrate your body, you take deep breaths, you move gently. This creates a supportive environment, your circulation improves. Your oxygen levels increase, your stress decreases, and your body functions more efficiently. Now let's talk about inflammation, because this is one of the biggest hidden factors in aging. Chronic low-level inflammation can damage your cells. It can affect your blood vessels, it can impact your overall health. And lifestyle plays a major role in this. Stress increases inflammation. Poor habits increase inflammation. Lack of movement increases inflammation. But calm routines, balanced breathing, hydration, and gentle movement can help reduce it. Now think about what we've just discussed. Your morning routine influences your stress levels, your circulation, your oxygen supply, your hydration, your inflammation, and all of these factors affect how your body maintains itself. Now let me make something very clear. This is not about instant transformation. This is about long-term support. Your body responds to patterns, not one-time actions but repeated habits. And this is why simple routines, done every day, become powerful over time. Now imagine this: you support your body every morning, you reduce stress. You improve circulation, you stay consistent. What happens after a year? After 5 years, after 10 years? Your body adapts. Your systems become more efficient, your overall health improves. Not because of one big change, but because of small, consistent actions. In the next part, we're going to connect this to real life. How this affects your energy, your immune system, and how you feel every day. Because understanding is important, but experiencing the difference is what truly changes everything. So stay with us and subscribe now to Althera Health. Because awareness today protects your health tomorrow. Welcome to my channel Althera Health. So far we've talked about science, cells, stress, repair, but now let's talk about something that matters even more. How you actually feel every day. Because at the end of the day, health is not just about numbers. It's about energy, clarity, strength, and the ability to live your life fully. Let me ask you something. Have you ever woken up and still felt tired? Even after a full night's sleep, have you ever felt low energy without a clear reason? Or found it hard to focus even on simple tasks? Many people think, it's just age. But that's not always true. Sometimes, it's the way your body is being treated. When your body is under constant stress, even small stress, it affects everything. Your energy drops, your focus weakens, your mood changes. And this is where your morning routine becomes powerful. Because it sets the tone for your entire day. If you start your day in a rush, your body enters stress mode. Your heart rate increases, your mind becomes reactive. And that feeling continues throughout the day. But if you start your day calmly, everything changes. Your system stays balanced, your energy becomes more stable, your mind feels clearer. Now let's talk about your immune system, because this is your body's defense. It protects you from harmful threats, it helps maintain internal balance, and it plays a role in long-term health. But your immune system is sensitive. It responds to your lifestyle. Stress weakens it, poor habits weaken it. Lack of rest weakens it. But supportive habits strengthen it. When you hydrate your body in the morning, you support circulation. When you breathe deeply, you reduce stress. When you move gently, you activate your system. All of this creates an environment where your immune system can function more effectively. Now let's connect this to aging, because aging is natural. But how you age is influenced by your habits. Two people can be the same age, but feel completely different. One feels tired, slow, drained. The other feels active, clear, energetic. What creates this difference? Daily habits. Small choices repeated over time. Now imagine your life 5 years from now. If nothing changes, if your routine stays the same, if stress continues, if movement stays low, what will your body feel like? Now imagine something different. You change your mornings, you support your body. You reduce stress, you stay consistent. How will you feel then? More energy, better focus, stronger resilience. And this is not about perfection. It's about direction. Small improvements done daily. Now let's talk about something deeper, your mindset. Because your habits are not just physical, they are mental. Most people rush in the morning, not because they have to, but because their mind is already in a state of urgency. They wake up and immediately think about problems, work, stress. responsibilities, and this mental pressure affects the body instantly. Your heart responds, your hormones respond, your entire system responds. But when you start your day calmly, you change that pattern. You create space, you create control, you create balance. And over time, this changes how your body functions. Now think about this. If something so simple can improve your daily energy, support your immune system, and influence how you age, why wouldn't you do it? Because it doesn't feel urgent, because the results are not instant, because the change is gradual. But that's exactly why it works. Because your body doesn't need extremes, it needs consistency. Now remember this, your health is not decided in one moment. It is shaped by daily habits. And your morning is one of the most powerful places to start. In the final part, we're going to bring everything together. And I'll give you a simple step-by-step routine that you can follow easily, without stress, without complexity. So stay with us and subscribe now to Althera Health, because your health is built one habit at a time. Welcome to my channel Althera Health. Now it's time to bring everything together. Because what you've learned so far only matters if you use it. We talked about your cells, your stress levels, your body's natural repair systems, your energy, your immune function. And now the most important part, what you can actually do starting tomorrow. Because the truth is simple, your body doesn't need something extreme. It needs something consistent. So here is a simple Japanese-inspired morning routine that you can follow easily. Step 1. Wake up but don't move immediately when your eyes open. Pause. Stay still for a few seconds. Let your body transition naturally. Step 2. Take a slow, deep breath. Inhale gently, exhale slowly. Do this 3 to 5 times. This calms your nervous system and reduces the stress response. Step 3. Sit up slowly, not suddenly. Give your body time to adjust. Let your circulation stabilize. Step 4. Drink a glass of water. Your body is slightly dehydrated after sleep. Hydration supports blood flow, supports your cells, and helps your system function properly. Step 5. Gentle movement. Stretch your arms, move your neck, activate your body slowly. Not intense, just enough to wake your system up. Step 6. Avoid your phone for a few minutes. Do not expose your mind to stress immediately. Give your brain time to wake up naturally. Now look at this routine, simple, calm, practical. It takes less than 5 minutes, but the impact can last all day. Now let me say something important. This is not a quick fix. It is not a shortcut. It is a foundation. Because your body responds to what you do daily, not occasionally. Now imagine this, you follow this routine every morning, day after day, week after week. What happens? Your stress reduces, your energy stabilizes, your body functions better. And over time, these small improvements add up. Now think about your future, your health, your life, your ability to stay active, to stay independent, to enjoy your time. Your heart, your bodies, your mind. All of it depends on what you do today. Now ask yourself one simple question. Is taking 5 minutes in the morning too much to protect your health? Or is it the smartest investment you can make? Because at the end of the day, your body is always working for you. Every second, without stopping, without asking. And the least you can do is support it. Now imagine waking up tomorrow and starting your day differently, calm, controlled, aware. That one small change could shape your entire day. And over time, it could shape your entire life. If this video gave you a new perspective, if it helped you understand your body better, then don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe now to Althera Health. Because here, we focus on simple habits, backed by real understanding, that help you protect your health before problems begin. Your health matters, your choices matter, and your future depends on what you do today.